little more. There it is. Perfect.
Ooh.
Very good. Both sides. That was awesome. Oh.
It was that one.
Yes.
That was crazy. And you even heard it.
Yeah. I was like, oh, there it is.
Oh, I don't feel it at all. I'm amazed right now.
So then is it mostly low back pain then?
It's only back pain. It hasn't traveled down my legs. Like sometimes I can feel it a little bit like in my butt, and sometimes it switches sides almost.
Okay.
But if I sit too long, I can't stand up straight.
Wait, do you mind if I just lift this
Nope,
up?
go for it.
I just gotta see the skin really quickly.
You can do however you need to.
Okay, I just don't, and then, does that hurt when I do that?
No, it seems like it's a little bit lower maybe.
Well,
Right there.
yeah.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can't get it. Yeah, okay, so then stand straight for me.
Okay.
You have a little bit of what we call an anterior pelvic tilt. Okay.
Yeah, I've heard that.
It's just a little bit. I have it too. You know, and then it kind of like makes this stick out a little
Yep.
more, and we're always kind of like trying
to
like,
stick it in.
Yeah, I mean, I have it too, and so like, it's not that I have like a belly, but like I just kind of sit like this.
When I didn't have a chest when I was younger, people used to think that I used to just stick it out, just to stick it out. And I'm like, no, it's natural. It's me.
It actually saves you to some extent from the bulging discs. So you've developed arthritis without the herniations because of this, and that's fine.
Okay.
That's a better situation than just blowing out your back.
Well, that's good.
From just doing this all the time, being slouched forward. But this curve, this natural curve, is not bad.
Okay.
I don't consider it in my. Some other chiropractors might say that it is, but in my world, this is not a bad thing to have.
I'm fine with that.
I'm not going to try to reduce this. It is very common for somebody with an anterior pelvic tilt to have localized pain over L5S1.
Okay.
That's when your doctors are like, just go do something. You know, because it's not life-threatening. It's not enough probably to throw you to the ground. It's not enough to warrant an operation. It's just annoying.
Okay.
Chin back for me. Oh, it's tight. Not anymore. Jeez. Other side. Chin back. Whew. You let me in. Yeah. There, that's all it's gonna go. That's fine. That's fine. There you go. How you doing?
Good.
The right side moves so much. There was like a little click left on the left. Very good though. That means I parked most of the car in correctly on the right. It's just a slight adjustment on the left. Woo! Oh, there it goes. No, this side's loose, okay? That, I'm just gonna set. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do on that one. So this ankle over here is loose.
Okay.
So if you look at your foot here, as the talus goes this way, when you walk, it's pronating. This bone gets irritated because it has no choice but to break that anterior glide.
Okay.
The last thing I would ever want to do is sprain your ankle by pulling on it. But do you feel how the difference?
Yeah.
This one was like, let me yank it, and then this one was just, you know. Okay. Like, yeah.
Feels good.
Feels like I got it? Okay. Until we get to here, because I know the problem area. 9 out of 10 is right here. Okay. You, me. Anyone else with an anterior pelvic tilt is what it is. Really tight though up here. Can you feel that?
Oh, I can feel it, yeah.
All right, so when I press here, does that feel good, the same, or worse?
The same.
No change when I do this.
Change.
No change. And again, that confirms I'm just like double confirming that yes, it is an anterior pelvic tilt. When you have it the other way, this feels good. Nobody says it feels good when they have it anteriorly. Take a deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Good. Excellent. Good. Breathe. Take a deep breath in. Yeah, see, I can't quite get that one yet. Okay. Deep breath in. It's just not gonna go. pink roller, okay? So you let me know if it's too much. If it tickles, I'll stop and we'll do something else.
Okay.
But I really love this thing, and if you can tolerate it, we'll keep going. It's usually people love it or they hate it.
So far, so good.
Okay. I'll just keep going. Whew, see, there it goes. If you can handle it, it'll release it'll fix whatever I didn't get. It'll pop the rest of them for me, okay? You're just trying to drive these facets down. And breathe. There you go. And here's the, ooh, look at that on the left. Aha. Is that okay? Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna get to work. If she hasn't left the building, we'll continue. Okay. As long as she's still, as long as she's still on the table. Oh my, there you go. Excellent. So it does a switchback here. It goes up here on the left and it switches immediately to the right. Interesting.
The winding highway back there.
Yes, yes. Everybody's got something. Ooh. That's it. Doing okay?
Yep.
I'm going to go pretty aggressively here, so you let me know. Excellent. Ooh. That's it. Okay. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm just focusing on my breathing.
Okay.
So I don't hold my breath.
Okay. If you tell me to lighten up, okay, but when I feel something, I'm like, yeah, ooh, here we go.
No, I'm saying go for it.
Okay, gotcha. You just yell at me or something if I'm going too hard. Oh, I gotta get in there with my elbow. Here we go. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna go down the back of the leg, okay? Back of the leg. Sometimes it's ticklish. Very ticklish, maybe. Ooh. This is the one I always guard myself. Don't kick me. I'll stop, I promise. There we go. Perfect. Iliac crest. Okay, I'm going to come right across here. You let me know if it's too much, okay?
Okay.
I said I'm going to go around it. Everywhere but here, but there. Okay, I'll just lift this leg up. Here we go. Breathe. It's not bad, but it's still somewhat there.
This one.
Okay. Oh, it's all scarred. There we go. I'm not cutting you. It's coming out of your muscle. You're not saying anything. Are you okay?
I'm good still.
All right. You stuff. Just wake up tomorrow. Oh my God, Dr. Mom Nugget. Just drink a lot of water.
Not as tough as I thought it was.
No. You are. Nobody can, this is a lot of work. Nobody can withstand the machine. Another Princess Bride. He's like, I can handle torture. I can cope with torture. And he just shakes his head. It's too applicable. That's that movie. You can just use it in so many. I am not left-handed either. Go for the other one. There you go. Woo! All right. We've got a lot of this taken care of. I'm going to take a picture, I think, of your back.
Okay.
Because it's not too bad. Like, it's not, you've seen worse. If you've watched anything on my show, it's there, though. I'm looking at it and I'm like, well, hopefully you won't be too shocked and appalled, but it is there. Here was the side.
Okay.
Which is right here. Like, if you look at it, you'll see it. And that was from the roller.
That's not that bad, though. I thought it was going to be worse.
I mean, I pushed on you, and that's all that came out. But, it's there. And then, like I said, the most that came out was...
With the roller, you can see, like, right there.
The little marks!
That's the highway marks.
Yep. Okay. We're going to try. So lean away. Nothing there. No, nothing. Yeah, lean away. Good. Oh.
It was that one.
Yes.
That was crazy.
I told you. I was like, what it does.
And you even heard it.
Yeah. I was like, oh, there it is. Any pain, you're not going to fall. I promise. My hand is going to go on your shoulder, stabilize you. You're not going to fall. Wow. Any pain when I do this?
Mm-mm.
There it goes. Other side. Pull it towards you. It should feel good. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. All right. On your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. And then squeeze. A little more. There it is. Perfect. Ooh. Very good. Both sides. That was awesome. Okay, and come on and sit up and face, careful. Yep, and face that way. Hands on your hips for me. Then elbow back into my elbow. We're going to sit up as straight as you can. If it doesn't go, nope, that's all it goes. Elbows. Wrists feel great. No numbness or tingling in the hand or anything?
They're cold, but that's about it.
Feels really good though. I don't usually. Wrists are so gnarly these days. Computers and typing. But yours feels really good. Hand on your hip. We'll try the elbow again. Just relax the shoulder joint, but you're just gonna push your elbow back into the wall. Like that.
There we go.
Yeah. It's kind of a difficult one the first time you do it. Yeah, your wrists feel really good. A little tiny little bit right here. Lean away. There it goes. Just don't tell me now that I had a broken wrist and
Nope.
like after I adjusted, I'm like, oh crap. I can usually tell that it's all swollen. Come on up and see how it feels. I'm just gonna.
Feels good so far.
Yep, has it just kind of feel it. What would normally make it hurt?
Pretty much if I were to bend down right now.
I mean, you could try it.
Normally I help myself down.
Well, it's up to you.
I can feel it, but it's not as bad. It doesn't feel like I have to tighten my abs to get myself down to the ground.
We're going to do a stretch, and then I want you to try it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah. You reach down, grab here, and you push south. So more turn your hands this way.
This way?
Yeah, and you're gonna hook onto your, no, the front of you.
This way.
Here, bend your knees. Yes, just like that. Bend your knees. Bend them more. Now push. I'm gonna reach here, okay? Push.
Oh, I can feel that.
Open that disc space up right there. Just, yeah, careful with it. Careful with it though. But just, yeah. It's just kind of giving that low back a little bit of a break. The longer you stay on this, the more it heals.
Okay.
If you want to go back with the arms up, you're more than welcome to. Again, make that bottom part right here on you. Let me see where it is. Yeah, that you can go a smidge lower if you want. Right there.
Okay.
That's as low as I would ever take it.
Okay.
Go ahead and feel it with your hands. I'm gonna keep your arms moving for a while. See, it's kind of like at those 2 points like right here. You kind of like reach around, and that's the lowest part of the roller goes there.
Okay. And then you can do the same thing here?
Sure. It's up to you what you want to do with it. It's as needed. You're supposed to do 5 to 20 minutes. Most people quit at 5. That's okay. In a week, you get up to 10. It moves very quickly. If you're telling me I'm doing 20 minutes of this and I still have low back pain, we'll figure something else out.
Okay.
Now we have to change the plan. But most people, by the time they get to 20 minutes of something like this, unless it's a severe injury, you know, like where they've severed a nerve, which you haven't in your case, I think it's just from being months in that boot. That makes perfect sense.
Okay.
To then, bam, have it hurt subsequently at the same time.
Yeah.
No history of prior low back pain. You're like, I'm stuck. How do I get?
Do you want to roll on my side?
Yes, you got it. And just get it. And then
The only thing I can think of is bail.
yeah, but most people, nobody ever gets that. You can test it now if you want.
Okay. Oh, I don't feel it at all.
Right. So it's magic. No, it's just physics. It's just physics.
I don't feel it at all.
Yeah, because all we did, and I'm just gonna put my hand right here, is take this piece this way.
Okay.
So now you're using this piece instead of only here.
I'm amazed right now.
Does that make sense? I know. I'm saying no.
Because normally when I do anything, I have to like grab something to get down there because I'll have to tighten my stomach muscles.
You might feel that again. Just
keep doing those. Okay.
Because it's so hard, it's such a hard concept that if I take this piece and I push it in, that I don't use this piece anymore. If you look at a spine, if you looked at a spine in motion, it would make way more sense. If you saw the person moving. If you don't move this and this is locked, you have no choice but to use your low back. Once you get this out,
and that's
now
what I'm doing.
now you have way more range of motion.
Okay.
Your spine has range of motion to bend over. Okay. It's just getting these ribs moving, and they don't move this way. People are like, oh, I know how to move them. I'm like, no, not like that. This way.